Alright, back again with hunting tools. Another Amazon find here. A lot of the products I have, whether they're mowers or whether they are working on car front ends and so forth, involve the pullers. So this is a set of 3, I think, and I believe the company name is this. And DMT, OMT, let's see here. Let me read this real quick. Orion, oh, it's an O, dummy. Orion Motor Tech. Okay, so there's one. We got the package of arms for a larger one. I even intended to package these because I wanted to do a video. So here's your larger one. So there might be, this one might have been, nope, this is just package, nope, it is package of 4. Okay, so it's package of 4. There we go. Alright, so 3-jaw multi-functional puller user manual. So there we go. By OMT, Orion Motor Tech. Alright. So we got the 4, and like I said, these are either 33 or 40 bucks. So you've got the M12 105 screw assembly, M14 120, M17 120, and M19 220 assemblies. So looks like a pretty good. Oh, sorry, there it is. I'm reading it, but you can't see it. So there's a 4 sizes included. That's probably that larger 220 one there. But a nice way just to be able to grab. They seem pretty solid. Instead of unpackaging all these for a short video, let's inspect this one. This is probably one that I would be using more for some of my mower parts. Only thing this doesn't have, which is kind of nice on some, is to be able to use like either a 3/8 or a 1/4 inch socket in there. That's kind of a nice feature. But it does seem to have a good, good solid feel to it. Nice hardened material. I like the color too. It's not everything, but it does seem to be a nice quality piece for the price. So then there's even the little dinky one, and that'll be handy for some parts. So, like I said, right around 40 bucks, I believe. Nicely packaged. 4 pullers for that price is not a bad deal at all. I'm impressed so far. There's the other set of arms. And you just end up needing these sometimes, whether it's doing pulleys on mowers or different front end work or steering columns, you name it. You know the projects. If you're looking at this video and you're looking at the Orion Motor Tech pullers, you know why you might be needing these. So go check them out. If we end up with problems or them not working correctly, I will let you know. Thanks for watching. Next time.